Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn Excel basics. Some students ask me we would like to learn basic things in Excel. Therefore, I started lesson of Excel basics. In this lesson, we will learn data cut, copy, paste, format painter, bold, how to bold text, italic, underline, increase and decrease font size, how to choose font, increase font size, decrease font size, borderline, background color, and font color. Let's start first with cut. Actually, this is our data. Uh, Excel, it is my data. When I want to, this is the border color, and I did it the one fill color here as well. I just this is cut button. I cut, click on cut button. Here you see it is it's change like dragging something, and then I select I want to paste here. Click on this is paste button. I click on paste. It is removed from here and paste here. The purpose of cut is remove from first place and paste into another place. If I cut into I paste cut here, then it shows it's applied and I want to paste it here. I click on paste button. Okay. Cut means remove from first place and paste into another place. While copy is means if you copy this, click on this cell and copy this and paste here. It shows copy means it makes copy of this, and it is available at there, and we make its copy and paste in another place. And if I paste here, it remains same at first place, and I make copy different copy. I paste here, I paste here, I can make different copy. But in cut, but in cut, we just cut it and paste here. It will remove from first place. Hopefully you understand. Format painter. First I type uh, this one, Excel. This is we learn cut, we learn copy. This is copy. I click on fill color. This is fill color. We learn cut copy. We learn paste as well. And now will learn bold. Bold. This is bold. Bold. Control B. Shortcut key. Control B. We click on this. It gets bold. Italic means it's style change. Italic. Bold with italic. And underline means underlines comes in text. Under the text. This underline comes under the text. I bold it. Italic. And what is font size? This is font size. This is 11 now. I click on 18. You see font size increase. Here you see I increase 24. You see size increase. Click on this. Size increase. Okay. This is font size. We can increase font size by increase font size. This, this. Click on this. It will increase. If we want to decrease, I click on decrease font size. This. Okay. We learn bold, italic, underline, font size, font, font means control, font. This is font. Now it is Calibri. I would like to change LGD. It's changed like I would like to change like you see I see this Calibri Algeria. You see it's changed. It's changed. Algeria. I change it into it's changed. Font size. Font change. I think this one is good. I click on it. If I change, I can drag it down. Mm, think this, this one. This is font size. This one is font size. This is increase, decrease font. We learn increase, decrease, increase font. This, increase font, decrease font size. And this, decrease font size. Background color. This is background color. This is background. Fill color, background color. And we have font color. It is font color. We make font color. We make font color. We make it blue. This is font color. Only font color change. Background color remains same. We want to change background color green. This is font color. Borderline. We learn borderline as well. And last, what is font painter? This is bold, italic, underline, font color, background color. If I want to make it same, how can I do it? I just click on, if I want to do it same here, then I need to bold, italic, underline everything. I press everything, but I just do, I select this cell, click on format painter and click on this. Now you see all things do in just second. Excel, bold, italic, underline, font color, background color. If I want to make it same here, I just click on format painter and click on this. It will automatically change. The purpose of format painter is completely copy formatting of one cell, and you just need to click on format painter and click on the cell that you require to make formatting. Just click format painter and click on it. Okay, hopefully you understand this video. If you have any question, you may freely discuss. Thank you so much, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much.